How to contact TikTok customer service. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to the very end and you can see the option of report a problem. So tap on report a problem over here and it will lead you to a new page where you can report your problem regarding various issues. So just scroll down and tap on chat with us option over here. As you tap on it, it will lead you to the TikTok help desk, which is basically a TikTok customer service. So you can just send a message over there and you'll be able to contact and have your problem solved via TikTok customer service. So you can just tap on the message box and send a message to them and they'll reply to you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.